sorry it's raining. Hopefully it all dumps now and then clears up by the time the ceremony.
It went from blessing to like super blessing.
Yeah.
And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.